gonna go ahead and try this washing machine cleaner. What I think is funny is it wants you to cut here. You'd think they would do like a little pre-tab because they would want to discourage people using their teeth. But if you're gonna use your teeth on this, you deserve whatever happens to you, right? So it says kind of just sprinkle it around inside the machine. Kind of a problematic area, so I'll probably try to get it around, you know, the base there, kind of toss a little bit underneath the lip and run it on normal hot. See what happens. All right, there we go. Guess you can't really get it underneath, right? It's a fucking powder. I mean, it's a powder. Can't get it underneath. That should be good. Don't forget the slide. Hot, normal. There we go. Maybe we can do something about the rest of this fucking nastiness. Well, I gotta say, she looks nice and pretty. Detailed her up top. Almost looks like a new washing machine. Look at that. This shit is clean. It's amazing what Q-tips and cleaner can do. You know, obviously there's a little bit of brown shit left. You can get all of it, but it was just so disgusting. See? Oh, that thing is shining. It's shining.